Efforts to reclaim control of Butali Sugar Company from creditors and investors who for the last 4 years have engaged in legal battles seem to be bearing fruit after another party to the case withdrew from the matter. Jacqueline Kimeto, who had filed an insolvency case back in 2019, filed a notice of withdrawal at the High Court on Friday, bringing to 6 the number of lawsuits withdrawn after President William Ruto ordered parties to withdraw or face dire consequences. Billionaire businessman Jaswant, who withdrew 4 cases on Wednesday, has suffered another setback after he lost a case where he has been ordered to pay Butali Sugar Mills more than 507 million shillings in compensation. Rai, through his lawyers, says that he will appeal the decision. This story was produced by Gatete Njoroge.
The plan by the government to take control of Butali Sugar Company operations appears clear 6 days after President William Ruto promised to crack the whip on cartels who were sabotaging its revival. The head of state's threat to creditors and investors who were involved in legal battles over the control of the company to withdraw their cases or face dire consequences has so far seen 6 cases withdrawn in the last 3 days. The latest withdrawal was by lawyer Jacqueline Kimeto, who had filed an insolvency case in 2019. Kimeto was seeking payment of 76 million shillings she argued was owed to her as legal fees after representing the company, which has been under receivership for the last 4 years. The lawyer has filed a notice of withdrawal with the case in line with President Ruto's directive.
Hakuna kesi tuta-entertain hapo. Kesi watoe na wao wenyewe watoke. Nyinyi mnanielewa? Tunaelewana? Na nimeambia mambo ni mangapi? Matatu. Wakitaka kuniletea kisirani, either wahame Kenya, ama nitawaweka jela, ama wasafiri waende mbinguni.
Kimeto's withdrawal came 2 days after Dubai-based firm Vatox Resources Limited, associated with businessman Jaswant, withdrew from cases involving the running of the sugar company. Vatox Resources had challenged the lease awarded to Sarai Group to manage Butali Sugar Company. Rai had on Wednesday also filed notices to withdraw 4 cases at the Court of Appeal and High Court challenging the running of Butali Sugar Company, which was leased to Sarai Group, a sugar company based in Uganda and owned by Rai's brother Sarjibit Rai. The withdrawals technically affect the suit, as most of those who have pending matters regarding the control of the sugar company, including KCB Bank, Sarai Group and PV Rao, were reading from the same script. For the Rai Group chairman, it is a double blow after he lost another case pitting Rai's West Kenya Sugar against Butali Sugar Mills. The High Court has awarded 507 million shillings in damages with an interest of 12% per annum for the last 16 years to Butali Sugar Mills. Butali Sugar Mills had in 2007 filed a case against Kenya West Sugar seeking 590 million shillings in loss of business after their license was cancelled by the Kenya Sugar Board for building a factory 10 kilometers away from West Kenya Sugar, which was against the agreement reached by Ministry of Agriculture and the West Kenya Sugar, which gave assurance that no other white sugar milling company will be allowed to operate within its 25 kilometers radius. The businessman's lawyers have, however, stated that they will appeal the decision by Justice Alfred Mabea, as the bone of contention was whether West Kenya Sugar was justified to file a judicial review case to challenge a decision of the Kenya Sugar Board to grant a certificate of registration to set up a sugar mill within its zone. The lawyers note that the company was not owned by Rai's family when the Butali case was filed.
An Energy Cabinet Secretary